Blobfish. A deep-sea fish with a gelatinous body, often considered the world's ugliest animal. Ai. A nocturnal lemur with long, thin fingers, known for tapping on trees to find grubs. Axolotl. A salamander with a perpetually smiling face and gills resembling feathers. Star-nosed mole. A mole with a star-shaped nose used for detecting prey in the dark. Narwhal. A whale with a long, spiral tusk protruding from its head, often called the unicorn of the sea. Shoebill. A large stork-like bird with a bill shaped like a shoe. Pangolin. A scaly mammal that rolls into a ball when threatened. Saiga antelope. An antelope with a bulbous, trunk-like nose. Yeti crab. A deep-sea crab covered in hairy pincers, discovered near hydrothermal vents. Leafy sea dragon. A seahorse relative that looks like a floating piece of seaweed. Kakapo. A flightless, nocturnal parrot from New Zealand. Tarsier. A small primate with enormous eyes for night vision. Okapi. A forest-dwelling animal with zebra-like stripes on its legs, but related to giraffes. Hagfish. An eel-like creature that produces slime as a defense mechanism. Proboscis monkey. A monkey with a large, pendulous nose and a pot belly. Vampire squid. A deep-sea squid with webbed tentacles and glowing bioluminescent spots. Glass frog. A frog with translucent skin revealing its internal organs. Goblin shark. A deep-sea shark with a protruding, blade-like snout. Fossa. A carnivorous mammal from Madagascar, resembling a small cougar. Indian purple frog. A frog with a bloated body and a pointed snout, found in India. Japanese spider crab. The largest arthropod, with legs spanning up to 12 feet. Red-lip batfish. A fish with bright red lips, found near the Gala Pagos Islands. Sea pig. A deep-sea cucumber with leg-like appendages. Tufted deer. A deer with a small tuft of hair on its head and fang-like teeth. Markhor. A wild goat with spiraled horns, found in Central Asia. Venezuelan poodle moth. A moth with fluffy, poodle-like fur. Mantis shrimp. A colorful crustacean with powerful, spear-like claws. Blue dragon. A small, brightly colored sea slug resembling a mythical dragon. Thorny devil. A lizard covered in spiny scales, native to Australia. Frill-necked lizard. A lizard with a large, expandable frill around its neck. Hairy frogfish. A frogfish covered in hair-like appendages for camouflage. Indian star tortoise. A tortoise with a shell featuring star-like patterns. Pistol shrimp. A shrimp that produces a powerful snapping sound to stun prey. Lamprey. An eel-like fish with a toothed, funnel-like mouth. Horned lizard. A lizard that shoots blood from its eyes as a defense mechanism. Mudskipper. A fish that can walk on land and climb trees. Coconut crab. The largest terrestrial arthropod, known for its strength and ability to climb trees. Naked mole rat. A hairless rodent with a highly social lifestyle and resistance to cancer. Sea pen. A colonial marine animal resembling a quill pen. Christmas tree worm. A marine worm with brightly colored, spiral structures resembling Christmas trees. Basking shark. The second largest fish, known for its wide-open mouth when feeding. Paddlefish. A freshwater fish with a long, paddle-shaped snout.